Hello guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to channel and welcome to another interesting video. So a lot of us are data analysts, right? We don't know, like for instance web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But can we use our data analytics knowledge to build like a simple web app just with Python? Is it even possible? Some of our audience had asked me, and funnily there's this package called Streamlit which helps you do exactly that. We're going to try and build a very simple app quickly in like just few minutes, and you can use this kind of example to expand on your own apps in the future. Okay, I will put the code in the description as usual. You can have a look. So first of all, I'm going to import some packages as you see, as usual, pandas and matplotlib. Like, I want to just plot some graph. So I'm going to just run that code. And then I have connected to my Google Drive this file called as samplepython.csv. This file basically contains some marketing information. Okay, so let me just run that. This set of code will help you connect your Google Drive. So basically I've saved it in a data frame called data, right? The data is being read, right? So if I just say data now, we can see the information whatever is stored, right? So it's like date, category, clicks, impressions, conversion cost, and conversion value, our normal marketing data, right? And over here I'm just going to try and, as you see, group by category and find the total sum of clicks, and then I'm just simply plotting, right? So these four lines I'm just creating an axis, and then I want to do a bar plot of this category matrix. Category matrix is nothing but the calculation I have done over here, and I'm also giving x-axis label and y-axis label. So as you see, if I run this code, I'm getting a simple bar graph, right? Clicks and also category as the x-axis, right? Now let us say we have a use case where your manager wants to see clicks, impressions, or conversions, right? Depending on his will and wish, and the graph should change accordingly, right? Then what we can do, and what if you can plot this in an app? How to do that? So to do that, first step you have to do is, actually you can download this file, right? Go here, download, and download as a py file, Python file, not as a IPUNB file. Download as a py file. Next up, I'm going to go into my GitHub, okay, and I'm going to show you the repository where I've uploaded some information. Okay, so I have the sample python.csv. So this is the data. Please upload that to your GitHub, right? Create a new repository, upload it. Second step is the streamlit file.py. Obviously here I have added some things to be able to connect to Streamlit. So I'm importing the Streamlit package. That is the first step. Then here, since I've uploaded sample Python file in the same folder, I can directly do a pd.read CSV. Then for this app, I want to give a title, right? So I can write st.title and simply give a name like marketing data analysis or something. And then I have this code which says selected metric, right? So basically it's a selection box on the side. So that's why it says st.sidebar. And here we are giving the audience the option to click between impression, click, and conversion. They can click on one of these options. And then what this category matrix is doing here, if you notice, is it is grouping by category and calculating the sum for the selected metric, right? What is the selected metric? It's basically this. So depending on if they select impression, click, or conversion, our sum calculation will calculate total clicks, total impression, or total conversion, right? It will be dynamic. And then finally, we give like a name, let's say total clicks by category or total impression by category, and then do the plot that I was just showing you now, right? So this is the code. Now what else we need to do? Another thing we need to do here is, since we are having this on GitHub, we have to go to a requirements.txt file, create a notepad file, just put the name of the packages you are using, right? Streamlit, pandas, and matplotlib. I am using only these three because those are the only three packages I am loading, right? So you need to create this extra file, requirements.txt. Keep that in mind. So now that we have all these three files, what can we do? You have to go into Streamlit, create an account, right? Once you're done with creating an account in Streamlit, you can go and click on new app. Try to connect it to your GitHub, right? You can log into Streamlit using GitHub. Then just go and say new app. Over here, all our repositories will load. I will simply select our Streamlit marketing repository, which is what I'm using. And then here you have to give the name of the file, right? What is the name of the file? Streamlit file.py. So I can simply say streamlit file.py and give this a name like marketing app, right? You can change. It's already taken. We can say marketing example .streamlit.app. Okay. So I connected to the repository and the main Python file we need to run, and that's it, right? Then we can click on deploy. So it will run, your app will start running, and it might take some time, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll have something like this, right? So automatically it has loaded. So now I'm seeing total impression by category, but if I want to go here and change it to clicks, it will automatically run again. Now I see total clicks by category, as you see. If I want to see conversion, I can just select conversion, it automatically changes, right? So as you see now, this is a public app, right? Marketing example.streamlit.app. So maybe to create a difference in your profile, you can write some Python code and just build a Streamlit app on top of that, share the link. So people can visually see and play around with an app, can make a great difference, right? I hope you enjoy this video. Try out this project. I will see you again in another video. Till then, take care.